using this. I'll show you in the video magic. Okay, sige. So, this trigger green time kasi hindi siya nakaset ng maayos. Pa-magic lang natin ito. Tapos, sino pwede ko na akin do this. This will be the penalty. Kaya ganun natin. Hold mo na siya. Right-handed ka. Tapos hanap tayo ng card. Sino pwedeng mamili ng card? Ay, ganun.
Sa kanila, bumibisa.
Yeah. Ito gawin natin. I will refold the cards. Then you just take them whenever you before you run out of cards. Ready? Let me see if I can. Ready? Start ka na? Do you remember the card? Both of you? Okay, continuin natin. Just remember the card. Now, I will show the cards one by one. If you see the card, start swinging the pendulum. Swing, let something magical happen. Then, when you see the card, you swing the pendulum. Okay? Swing mo siya when you see the card. Swing mo siya when you see the card. You did that swing. Wait ka? Ulit. When you see the card, swing the pendulum. Do you remember the card? Okay, I'll show you one by one, very slowly now. When you see the exact card na mali niya, start swinging the pendulum. Don't tell me na yun na yung card. Just start swinging the pendulum. Pero apparently, hindi ka nagsiswing. Bakit? Okay. Wala yung card. Baka nakalimutan yun. So you're telling me na wala yung card dito. One more time. Slowly. Swing the pendulum when you see the card. Sobrang slow na. Paubos na ulit. Kasi ganito yung mangyayari. When you see the card, halimbawa lang, 7. Diba sabi ko, you will swing this card, did the pendulum. This will swing 7 times, tapos mag-stop siya. Yun yung magic na yan. Halimbawa, nakita mo 2. Igagalaw mo siya, this will swing 2 times, tapos mag-stop siya. Pero apparently, hindi ka nag-swing. So, dapat yun yung mangyayari. So, ganito na lang. What if, ganito na lang. Do you remember the time? Sa time, sa pendulum. Hindi. What if yun na lang? Yung time na nandito sa pendulum will be the number that you saw. That amazing. Halimbawa, nakita mo 9. It's 9 p.m. to amazing. Nakita mo 1. Naging 1 p.m. to that amazing. Diba? Check natin yung time. So the time on the clock is... Actually, time is just an illusion. Wala na yung face ng watch. Pero may nakita kayong time kanina. Do you remember the time kanina? Hindi na. Pero nakita niyo yung face. Sabi nila time is just an illusion. All we have here is a page of card. I think we have to open it. Then, is your card? And you can check. Sabihin nyo, nandyan, nakatago, na double back, whatever. You can check the pendulum. Salamat. Kala ko ano, wala talaga. Ang nakakinabahan siya, hindi ako eh. Parang ayot. Ano nangyari?
Wala eh.
Thank you guys, thank you.